Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
There's relief this evening after the former Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA president and principal of Herbert Marston High School in St. James, Paul Adams, has been found safe.
JTA had earlier raised an alarm after Mr. Marston was reported missing.
Now, speaking with TVJ News this afternoon, Mr. Adams says he picked up a couple but doesn't remember what happened after.
Sandy Williams has the details.
God. Yes, God. I'm pleased at the officers, as usual.
A grateful Paul Adams moments after he was rescued by members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and the Jamaica Defense Force. The former president of the Jamaica Teachers Association and principal of the Herbert Marston Technical High School was reported missing after he did not return home last night. Hours earlier, members of the police and military combed through heavily vegetated tracks in the Garlands community, while a JDF-operated drone surveyed the area from higher heights in search of Mr. Adams. TVJ News understands that Mr. Adams was last seen leaving a bar in Garlands. However, an alarm was raised when he did not turn up for work Monday morning. Hours into the search, Mr. Adams was found in a wooded area in the community.
Me look on the outfit. Me come check me, my friend them, my mother, my wife, my brethren, my sister. God.
Yes.
Me know them, me pray for my wife. Me pray for my picnic, my two picnic. Me pray for my friend Nisha, my friend Nadia, my friend Fab, my friend Taylor, and for me 1,655 students.
No, man.
And Mr. Ja, can't tell me find them now.
Mr. Adams says after leaving a bar, he picked up a couple, but did not remember much about what happened after.
It's supposed to start somewhere about 8:50. Yeah, should be about that time. Should be about 8:50. And the pretty girl met me stop.
Who was there?
Well, to be honest with you, after she do so, you have a nice big nose.
It's not clear how Mr. Adams arrived at the location. However, his vehicle was found meters away in a ditch. Head of the St. James Police, Vernon Ellis, says an investigation has been launched into the incident. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.